everybody, Mike from Lakeshore RV. Thanks for watching. I'm here today with the Keystone Raptor 362 toy hauler. Features a 13-foot garage, has triple AC in it, also comes equipped with 3 televisions, no, make that 4 televisions, outdoor speakers, double awnings, dual entry, big pass-through. But let's check out the inside, it's really sweet. You do get a dinette, booth style with a bench, oversized sofa, and this is going to be a power sofa. Well, power as far as heat and massage, as well as USB ports, and that's one on each side. Roller shades, very nice, blackout so your neighbors can't see in. Residential fridge, spice rack ×2. Central vac or a road vac, so you can actually vacuum right through inside of your camper. It's very cool. A bunch of pantry storage overhead as well. And we can't forget about this extra storage or sleeping. It currently has a mattress up there, so it is designed for a bunk. Big 50-inch television. Huge convection microwave. Big oven. 3 burner stovetop. Really fancy solid surface countertops. Cool sink, farm style. Big old sink. Back to the garage area. 13 foot, you can use all of it. I believe we have 20 separate tie downs back here. Dual sofas. These steps here are for that deck out there, but the way we have it set up right now is with the 2 queen beds. Another television here, and these are the controls right here. There's actually an awning that goes off the back of this, but this is going to lift your sofa. The bed's locked in currently. Let's go check out the front of this thing. Bunch of pantry storage, didn't mean to skip that over. Features a tankless hot water heater. In-command system, it runs everything in this. You can also link it to your cell phone through an app. Into the master bedroom, this is a Camper King. Big bed. Storage beneath. Wireless phone chargers. Overhead storage. This is a slide out here featuring a big closet area. 3 drawers and 2 more doors for storage, as well as your nightstands. Hey there, so come on in. Big glass shower door with a seat, very nice shower. We have your vanity, 3 drawers, nice spot for a garbage can, and we have a ton of pantry storage through here. All right, so here we are on the party deck. We do have your steps, your entry, your glass doors, your screen doors, however the weather is, however you want it. Have your sofa set up here with the queen bed above. There is a rug, of course, to display, and we do have a ladder for either the queen bunk or the bunk on the inside. Hey guys, thanks for the watch. Again, that's Mike at Lakeshore RV. You can reach us 231-780-2040, or if you want to reach out to me directly, 231-215-2750. Thanks a lot.